Indistinctively, we refer to lean as a term, as a philosophy, as a methodology, as a strategy, and some will say it is a belief. But all definitions agree in that the ultimate objective of lean is to work on elimination of non-value added costs, activities referred to as wastes, running operations more efficiently in order to quickly adapt to customer demands and at less cost. Lean manufacturing seeks to implement business processes that will help achieve high-quality products within a safer environment and with improved worker morale, while reducing costs and shortening lead times. It is important to have a good understanding of the value of your product or service in the eyes of your customer. It means creating more value for your customers with fewer resources. Value is what your customers are willing to pay for. It is clear that lean focuses the attention on value added, or on those activities that in the eye of the customer provide value to them, therefore aligning the processes from the value stream perspective. What is a process then? A process is simply all series of actions, steps, or tasks that produce a deliverable or result. It is also important to understand the definition of a value stream. Value stream includes every stage of a process, from raw materials through to the finished product and delivery to your customer. Understanding value stream helps when balancing operations because it presents the sequences of steps or stages at their pace. Each company is unique, therefore each needs to evaluate how to apply lean within its own context, keeping customer value as the #1 priority for the whole organization. Companies need to focus all lean initiatives based on their core business and goals. Every decision needs to involve an assessment of how those changes will impact the customer. Personnel is your company's asset that makes things happen. If they are invested in the success of your organization, they will work to continually drive improvements, which is an essential element when seeking waste elimination. Your company has innumerable opportunities to improve using lean manufacturing techniques and other manufacturing best practices. There is always room for improvement. Even when your organization is doing well, personnel should be encouraged to drive further success. This course provides a simplistic approach to lean, promotes a mindset change, and shares the tools needed to implement value creation processes with minimum waste. You will learn how to think lean and apply lean methods and tools to improve the quality and efficiency of your company. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify the basics of lean manufacturing and its applicability on the shop floor, list the 7 wastes that diminish quality and increase costs, identify tools used in continuous process improvements, restate the basics of Kaizen and its implementation, define success methodology, its implementation, and how to maintain it.